Hi, Poppy here. In another video I said I wasn't going to talk about politics or religion, and I wasn't going to get all quagmire in the subjects of sex or sexuality. Well, I'm going to break the first rule here, because basically I could just sit here and do a John Houseman imitation and read you Principles of American Government. Remember that book you had to read the senior year in high school? You had to get at least a C to get out of high school with a diploma. I just read that book doing a John Houseman. No inflection, no humor. The FBI would have someone in a motorhome living close to the house here because of all the death threats I'd have to forward directly to the FBI field office in San Francisco. They say, oh, well, we better have someone watching this guy just for his own protection. If I were to get partisan, the ATF would have a whole team around me. But here we go. I am announcing the formation of the Cartoon Character Political Action Committee. What you need to do is watch all them cartoons, especially the Warner Brothers, Looney Tunes and Merry Melodies, but Disney, the ID Works, the rare ones like Hoppity Hooper, Coco the Clown even. And God help us, even SpongeBob and the Thundercats. But I ain't going to mention no ducks. I mean, think about what politician Foghorn Leghorn reminds you of. Who does Michigan J. Frog remind you of? I won't tell you who he reminds me of, but who does Michigan J. Frog remind you of? Go watch One Froggy Evening and the sequel to it. I forget the name of it. But anyway, they're hilarious. And like I said, I'm not going to go to the ducks. How about the rabbit? The dogs? How about the little squeaky shoes that got put to death in Roger Rabbit? Squeak, 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 squeak. Ah! Oh, Jessica Rabbit? Oh yeah, Jessica Rabbit for president. And the great thing is you don't got to spend no money. Don't send me none. But watch the Looney Tunes and throw a party. Think about the politicians that you're seeing on the news. Which one meshes up with this character? Which one is this character? And think real hard when you go to the ballot box.